coat suit I'm gonna crack. I don't know what happens to me. It's a pattern I can't seem to avoid. Makes me paranoid and I slip into the void. But today the